Hello, friends! You can watch more Supertato on BBC iPlayer today.
Attention, super viewers! All is quiet in Tato Tower, and the Tato team are relaxing. But where is Super Tato?
Hello, Tato team! I came to get my spare cake!
Does Supertato seem different to anyone?
Nope.
Got it! Supertato, away!
I don't know. Something about him is strange. It's almost like...
He's a robot! A robot! How do these nitwits not realize he's a robot? Oh, it's because I made him look exactly like you, Super Dad.
Oh, I should have known when you invited me to chill out. This was what you meant, Pea.
Oh, come on. It's Evil Pea. I just trapped you in a block of ice. You think you'd remember I'm evil? Maybe you will once I put my plan into action. Because I'm going to make Robo-You do mean things.
But if he's mean, then everyone will think I'm mean, and then they won't call for my help anymore, and then,
Don't give up. You're almost there.
Oh, I know! Then you can easily take over the supermarket! Ah!
Yes, very good, Super Tato. And now it's time for you to be very bad.
Where did Supertato go?
Hello, great kids! May I play with you?
Yay! This will be fun.
Ready? Go, fetch! How mean! Robo-Me just threw the grape kid's ball away, and then it hit me!
You think that's mean? Watch this.
Don't cry, great kids. I'm sure Supertato was just... Supertato?
Hi, Kiwi! Would you like a high five?
Yeah, I'd love one!
Too slow! A fake high five? Oh, that's so mean! I can't bear to look! Thanks for coming on the adventure with me and my friends. On BBC iPlayer, you can watch even more Supertato. Everything on BBC iPlayer is available to watch in a safe and ad-free space. Just download the BBC iPlayer app and set up your profile.